Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have done many videos on YouTube and you guys gave much love to those videos. I am much thankful to you. Now I have decided to make a series of videos on Gmail. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then you can watch other Gmail videos by clicking on this I button, or you may also visit my YouTube channel. So real quick, in this video of Gmail series, we will see how to create an email template in Gmail. So without further delays, let's get into our video. So in Gmail, if you want to send same email to different addresses, then a template could be much helpful for you. So let's see how to work on it. First of all, you have to open your Gmail account, and after that you can see a gear here. Just click on this. This is basically our setting. Now click on this see all settings. In this page you may see different options. You have to click on this advanced, and here is our templates option, and here as this option is disabled, so you have to enable it. After that just tap on this save changes. Now let's compose an email. I will quickly write a subject and email here. Now let's suppose that I have just sent this email to a person, okay, and I just want to save this email as a template. For doing so, I will click on these three dots, and here you can see the option of templates. Just click on it and save draft as template. After that, save as new template. You can enter a new template name here, but I will just keep it as it is and click on this save. Now let's suppose that I just want to send this email to any other person. Click on templates, and this is our template. You just have to tap on it, and here you can see our whole message is written here, and you don't have to write the message from its beginning. You have to note a point here that email attachments are not saved in the template, so you will have to make sure to attach any files you want to send with the template each time you use. Okay, I hope you have found this video very helpful, so please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos like this.